Hello everyone, what is up? So I just wanted to make a nice short video about the price of silver and gold, which have been somewhat exploding lately. If you haven't yet, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on notifications, comment if you want, and let's get into it. So, silver has actually been up it's at about a 7-year high, I believe. So that's pretty insane. Maybe 6-year high, but over the past 60 days, not even over the past 60 days, over the past, I'd say maybe 10 days, silver has really exploded. It's been on a small uptrend since mid-March. Let's just check that. So yeah, you can see here mid-March it hit high 11s, and that fell from the $18 range. So that was a quick dropped, what is that, 33% almost within the course of about a month. So that was a nice quick drop, and here we're seeing an even better, nice quick rise. So you can see that here, currently down about 1% on the day, but near the $23 mark. So lots of people are starting to say that this is the next big run for silver, and it may go to over $100 or $50, all that stuff. But you can see over here on the right side, 31% in the past 3 days, 39% in the past year. And silver also is doing pretty good over the past couple years, up over 50% over the past couple years actually. But now let's talk about investments I have in these types of like physical assets. So I have about 53 ounces of silver, and I have all of those, and I bought right around the $20 mark further back here because I had to pay like $1.20 above spot, something like that. So I have that right around the $20 mark, currently around the $23 mark, so that's pretty good. And I've got about 5 grams of gold, and back here we're actually looking at it. Do I buy gold or do I buy silver? So I did go with the silver, but you can see gold has been a safer play. Gold is up, sorry about that. Gold is up about $300, so 20% over, well, since I would have bought. It's up about 20%. But the reason why I bought silver was I could see more exponential growth in silver because gold is already fairly high in price and right around its all-time highs, where silver has plenty of time to run. And I did lots of research into it, and I just decided that silver has better upside. Again, just my personal opinion. It's not advice. I'm not saying go buy silver, go buy silver. It's just my personal opinion that silver was a better play than gold. And now let's take a look at Tesla stock for anyone who's stayed till this part of the video. Down 4.6% after reporting positive earnings last night. I think it was actually higher than analyst expectations. And this is exactly what you see in a stock that runs up this much. The stock will run up so much before earnings, and the earnings have to be absolutely flawless, or else the stock falls. Tesla's earnings were pretty close to flawless, and the stock still is falling. Still up 57% over the last month, 164% over the past 6 months, 550% over the past year, so it's still an insane run. But again, this is what happens when you see a stock run up so much right before earnings, and you can see that really big push here. This was a gradual climb. I mean, it wasn't even gradual. It's still almost 3x'd over the course of a few months, but it's really been insane the past month. And So it's not surprising that Tesla stock is falling here, and it actually could have been somewhat expected. So that's just an interesting thing. Tesla reports fourth straight quarter of profits, still highly overvalued. Tesla's blowout earnings prompt bulls and bears to boost price targets. And then here's a Seeking Alpha article. Tesla quarter 2 results not that great. So let's take a look at this article. I'm assuming it just talks about the fact that the only reason they were profitable was because of earnings. Well, because of regulatory credits earnings. And so I can see the case that they're trying to make, but that's just part of Tesla. Let's take a look at Dave & Buster's stock, which I am still in at the $12.90 mark, currently at $12.96. So I'm just about flat on that position. But again, not bad. Today down about 2 cents. So I've only lost like $12 today. Not big at all. If you got to this point in the video, please like, subscribe. Happy investing and have a good day.